Hi, welcome to WSI TV. I'm Leah Warren and I'm joined today by Jordan Bishop, and we're here to bring you a special market update just before the market close. I'm going to hand it over to Jordan so that he can tell you what's going on.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's Friday. We've got a special signal. As you may know, the market's been dropping quite a bit. As we always say, we're here for you to help guide you through these market movements. It's nothing drastic, as we said. We think it's a bit of an overreaction, but we do want to listen to our technical indicators here. So what we're doing here is we are going to cash completely. We are closing out of any positions that aren't specifically recommended by us in the upcoming week. You know, we'll have some picks for those of you who are staying tuned and on the premium recommendation services, but those will be carefully catered to this situation, you know. So you'll see gold picks and all this other stuff, again, carefully selected, but we are going to cash. So we would recommend, if you're in any positions right now, to close them out, hold on to your cash. Cash is a position, so as the market drops, your cash stays at the same value, and then we'll get back in. I don't expect this to be super long term, but we are taking a little bit of precaution here. Again, don't panic. We're just going to hop out, let the market do what it does, and then we'll get back in, and we'll let you know when we're back in. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, Leah.
Absolutely.
We'll talk to you next week.